Welcome to this full body mobility and stretch routine. If your body feels stiff or heavy today, this short flow will help you move through your joints and help your body feel free, more open and released. Let's begin in a standing position, facing the longer edge of the mat, feet hip width or shoulder width apart. Circle your arms up as you breathe in. Exhale, forward over, bend at your waist, soften your knees, hands can come to your shins or towards the ground. Arch your spine. Inhale, bend your knees, look ahead. Exhale, round your spine as you extend your legs as much as you can. Relax your head. Two more times at your own pace. Now, left hand comes to the center of the mat. Right arm reaches up as you inhale. First, open to the right. Look in any direction towards the ceiling or ahead of you. Option to wrap your right hand just behind you. Stay for one breath, breathing into the back of your right leg. Release. Right hand comes to the center of the mat. Twist open to the left as you inhale. Left arm reaches up or wrap behind you. Extend the left, bend the right. Stay here for one more breath. Release left hand to the ground. Roll up as you exhale. Pull the navel in, stack one vertebra at a time. Your head comes all the way in the end. Take a breath in. Reach your both arms up. Grab the opposite elbows or forearms, whatever is accessible for you. Cross your left leg behind your right. Take a breath in. Exhale, bend to the right. Keep pulling the left elbow using your right hand. Stay here for one breath. Back to the center on your inhale. Uncross your legs. Switch the grip of your hands. And right leg goes behind your left. Take a breath in. Exhale, bend to the left. Breathing into the side line of your right. Down to your waist and IT band. Deep breaths here. Back to the center as you inhale. Uncross your legs. Release your hands. Take a breath in. Exhale, chin to chest, roll down. Hands to the ground. Slightly toes out, heels in for Malasana rocks. Drop your hips as low as you can and shift your weight into one foot. The other foot remains flat on the ground. Two more times, maybe without the support of your hands. Play around, driving your knees towards the ground. Now, feet flat on the ground, hands come to the ground. Pick up your hips, extend your legs, fold over, exhale. Inhale to Malasana. Lift your chest up. Look ahead. Exhale, fold over. One more time. This time, turn to face the top of the mat. Come into a tabletop position. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Hands on the shoulders, knees under hips. Flex the left foot, kick your left heel into the air. Feel your left glute activated. Extend the left leg. Swing the left leg all the way to the side and step to the top of the mat for lizard. Now send your hips forward and down, lift your chest up, take a breath in. Option to pick up the back knee off the mat. Extend the front leg as you exhale, curl the front toes towards you, relax your head. One more time, lizard as you inhale. Exhale, pyramid. Stay here for one breath. Keep pulling the left hip back, relax your head. Back to lizard. Now claw your hands to the top right corner of the mat. Spin the back foot down, side lunge on the left. Option to stay here on your hands or reach your arms forward. Stay here for two breaths. Send your hips back. Keep your spine nice and flat. Now release your hands if they're lifted. Sink your hips all the way to the mat with control. Spin your right foot up. Drop your left knee down towards the mat. Internal rotation. Turn your torso towards extended foot. Take a breath in. Exhale. Fold over at your own degree. Relax your head. Keep curling the right toes towards you. Inhale back to the center. Lift up. Lift your left knee up. Hold it. Left ankle using your right hand. Left arm reaches up. Take a breath in. Exhale. Side bend to the right. Keep your shoulders stacked. Relax your head or look towards the ceiling. Keep pressing the left knee away from you. One breath here. Inhale, come all the way back to the center. Use momentum, come forward, press into your left foot, turn to the top of the mat, lizard. Now bend the back knee, left arm reaches all the way to the back leg. As you inhale, you can keep your arm and back foot in the air or maybe holding the back foot gently pulling towards you as you sink your hips forward and down. Two breaths here. Keep opening your chest to the left. Maybe look towards the ceiling. Let go of the back foot gently. Left hand comes to the mat. Now flex your left foot, extend to the side, swing all the way around to the opposite side. Untuck your back toes, bend the back knee, and crawl your hands back. Pull your hips back and sit down between your feet. You might be off the mat like me, no worries. Option to stack your both knees or let the top foot closer to your chest. Now twist to the right, right hand goes behind you, left arm hugs your right leg, keep your head over your hips, stay here for one breath, look ahead of you or maybe your right shoulder. Gently release out of the twist, let the top leg rest on the bottom leg. Left hand holds the left ankle, right arm crosses the left arm, holds the right ankle or any way that is accessible to your legs. Take a breath in, exhale, lean forward, chin to chest, stay for one breath, round your spine. Inhale to lift up, raise your hands to the mat, lean forward, uncross your back foot, come and meet me in tabletop position. Flex your right foot, kick your right heel in the air so that you can feel your right glute activated. Extend the right leg, swing to the side and step to the outside of your right hand, lizard. Option to stay here or you can pick up the back knee, come up on your fingertips. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, pyramid. Extend the front leg or you may be in half splits. One more time at your own pace. Stay here for one breath. Keep squeezing your inner thighs. Back to lizard. Crawl your hands to the top left corner of the mat. Spin onto your back foot. Side lunge on the right. Option to stay here on your hands or you can reach your arms forward if you want to challenge yourself. Stay here for two breaths. Keep pressing the outer blade of your left foot. Now raise your hips all the way towards the mat. Spin the left foot up. Now drop the right knee to the mat. Take a breath in as you turn your torso towards the extended leg. As you exhale, fold over at your own degree, relax your head. Breathe in and out your nose. Soften your front knee. Lift up and lift your right knee up as well. Hold the right ankle using the left hand. Right arm reaches up and over. Inhale. Exhale, bend to the left. Stay here for one breath. Reaching through your fingertips. Lift up as you inhale. Use momentum. Press into your right foot. Meet me in lizard. Drop the back knee down. Bend the back leg. The right arm reaches all the way back. Maybe catch hold the foot. Gently pull towards you. Stay for two breaths. Keep keeping your chest open. Let go of your back foot. Right hand comes to the mat. Flex your right foot. Extend to the side and swing all the way around to the opposite side. Untuck your back toes. Bend the back knee. You can separate your feet away from each other to create space and sit between your feet. Option to stack your both knees or you can have the top leg towards your chest. Left hand goes behind you. Take a breath in. Nice tall spine. Exhale. Twist to the left. One breath here. Relax your left shoulder. Release. Now drop the top leg on the bottom. It is lifted. Right hand holds the right ankle. Left hand holds the left ankle or anywhere your legs. Take a breath in. Exhale. Fold over. Chin to chest. You can feel the stretch in your outer glutes and between your shoulder blades. And lift up on your next inhale. Come onto your hands and the knees, uncross your back leg. And then find any seated variation. Swing your legs to the sides. Drop your hips on the mat. Shake out your legs. Well done. Well, find any easy cross-legged variation here. Hands come to your thighs. Relax your shoulders. Take a breath in down to your low belly. Open your mouth. Let go. Guide your hands at your heart. Bow forwards. Thank yourself for showing up today exactly as you are. That was today's practice. If you enjoyed this practice, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment below how it felt for you. Take care and see you in the next practice.